Uh, at 2000, at 2000, I am Mohammad Sikandar Khan Lodi. I study in biomedical engineering, bachelor program BS from 2006 to 2008 up till January. Then I came back. Then I came to Canada for citizenship. So I have the dream to complete my education in biomedical engineering course. So because I like to build some medical knowledge to prevent like diabetes or some other problems. So therefore I joined biomedical engineering at the year of 2006 in Sasai University of Engineering and Technology in Pakistan, Karachi. So my major goal was to build some method to finish this diabetes or to find a cure for diabetes. But I think our Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him said that the cure for diabetes or any other disease is inside in kalonji, like black seed. Like at the time of COVID-19, we use black seed to help protect against COVID-19. So it is very good. But I am not so good student in biomedical engineering because it is so hard. Because it is so hard. And but I study first 2 year in biomedical engineering where I mostly get failed in so many topics. But I study so many courses. Not alone. I give 5,000 rupees to my instructor who teach me medical courses specially, and I also give 2,000 rupees to my senior, to my top class student, top class classmate who get higher marks in this field biomedical at 2006 to 2008 in between. So to get to learn about electronics because I was also bad in electronic also in operational amplifier. But they teach me well, so then I get understand these courses. But I have no idea I will complete the final last 2 year of this field or not because it is very hard. This biomedical. So many my friends at the beginning of the course at 2006 they suggest me to go to some other technology like which is easy like computer science or computer engineering, but I never go there because even I do not go to electronic because electronic engineering because I like this biomedical because I want to build some solution to find I want to build some solution to cure the diabetes, so or other diseases like cancer or something. So but then I came to Canada at 2008 January. It is a my this picture is at the time when I came to Canada at 2008. So we go to Niagara Falls. On that time we take this picture. I sit on a heavy bike, Harley Davidson. So but thing is that since 2008 to 2012 or 13 I have the ambition that I will complete my education in biomedical either from Canada, Toronto, or I will go back to my home country, Pakistan. And there, I will retake admission in Sasai University, and I will complete my courses in biomedical. But before this, I already know that I am not good in biomedical, so therefore I try to prepare myself before retake admission in biomedical. So therefore I start making my notes in my home in Toronto from 2008 to onwards up till 2013. I have a aim to learn these all courses, which is power electronics, which come in 7th semester or 6th semester of biomedical. Digital signal processing come in 7th semester. So total 8 semester course. It is 4-year program. So there are so many courses. Biophysics I already study in 2nd semester. I study physiology in 3rd semester and 4th semester. So I study after giving 5,000 rupees per month to a doctor who teach me these all courses in medical, like physiology, biophysics. He teach me very well. He is a good doctor right now. He is in Pakistan Army right now. He is a doctor. So he teach me this biophysics. He also teach me a little bit physiology also. Yeah. Then I came to Canada and I study physiology for my own, and then I make this notes. But I put this biophysics note whatever I study from Pakistan, the guy who teach me. So then I come to in Canada. In my home I study this all courses like blood physiology, biophysics in biomedical, and digital electronics courses. I get failed in digital electronics and at 3rd semester. So I re-study these all courses at a very peaceful mind, and I make good notes. So then it is my bodybuilding. Oh, it is my bodybuilding guide. I build a book on bodybuilding because in Canada I do too much good bodybuilding, and I understand bodybuilding a lot. So then I build a book on biomedical bodybuilding also here, and then it is electronic book operation amplifier. So these are all books whatever I study. It is a book of integration. It is mathematic book. I study in high school grade 12, grade 12 in Pakistan. Differentiation or integration, mostly used in engineering courses. Very helpful. It's a C language book. So I put so many courses in my Scrib account. At 2012 I found, at 2012 or 2011 might be, I found this website script.com. So I put all the my notes whatever I built in this script.com. You can see here all my notes like Laplace transform, engineering mathematics, whatever it is, a book, engineering mathematics. Yeah. So I put all the notes in this website. So yeah. So I have so many notes in this website. I uploaded it. Take 2 or 3. It might be take 2 years to upload all the notes in it. I already prepared this note from 2008. But at 2013, I just left this all courses because I think that I am wasting my time. So then I left this all courses. I left building this all courses. Okay, it is the name of my channel on script.com, like guide on Biomedical Engineering undergraduate program. It is my channel name. Okay, so like you can see it is a course on biomechanics, C language, or everything. You can see my notes here. If I opens any one notes, it is a book electronic. I find very hardly this book because in Canada I hardly get access to books, but in libraries I found so many books. So I found this ebook from internet and then I uploaded it here. So, but I make my own notes also, because no matter how many book you have, you cannot understand and pass any course until you do not understand from your own, and until you do not make your own notes, you cannot solve the problem, or you cannot write the theory in examination or in test or in assignment while you study in biomedical engineering courses or any other courses in university. So therefore it is very important, or very important to make your own notes no matter anyone teach you. But or even if you study from any books, textbooks like that, you have to study from your own and make your own notes. Therefore it is very important to make your own notes and just review it before exam start. But very hard courses is digital signal processing, DSP. I studied DSP, but hardly I understand chapter 1 only, and other remaining chapter 1, like other remaining chapters from chapter 2, which is signal system, to at the end, which is Fourier transform or fast Fourier transform, discrete Fourier transform. It is very hard to understand. But in YouTube, Indian guy, he's a good professor in digital signal processing. He teach online in YouTube. So from first time I study digital signal processing and try to understand this topic, but hardly I understand. But it is very hard, and but he teach easily. But from this book, when I try to understand, it is a book. It is a book. From book I study this chapter. So from book, if you study this course, like the textbook name is digital signal processing theory and work example, second edition by SK Hassan and Pervez Akhtar, with contribution from Aisha Tahir, course titled Digital Signal Processing. So it is a book I buy long time ago. So from this book I try to learn, but I hardly learn first chapter because I do not understand the remaining in chapter from 2 to 8 chapters might be. But at 2015 to understand first chapter, at 2015 I buy this book. So I make the notes. You can see the notes here. You can see the notes here. It is some ad come, I don't know from here. So here's the notes I make on digital signal processing. So it is my home phone number in Toronto. It is my email. It is a link of my uh, channel in script. So here's my email. Here's my home phone number and home phone number of Toronto. So here's some. I write something. Note to reader or Note to reader, and then I put the table of content. uh, so I make very good notes, but here in this script.com they hardly show only first 2 pages, and might be there some kind of restriction on to read, but there are total 19 pages and 328 people view this thing, this notes. So if I go back to my channel at script.com, so at script.com, so at script.com you can see here there are so many notes whatever I put here at this channel. My channel is here, you can see my channel, guide on biomedical engineering undergraduate program. So here are all my notes. You can see my notes are on biochemistry, feedback control system. It is a book what I put because I want to complete this course on feedback control system. Neural network, I also don't complete any course on it, but do not make any notes. But here's the book, good book I found on internet. And then here are my notes on biomedical engineering. So here circuit analysis what I study from Sasser Agency. I make the note and put it here. It is a whole collection. It is all the exam paper whatever I give in Sasser University. It is a ebook on power electronics. It is a Canadian citizenship test what I prepare for giving the citizenship test. Here is engineering mathematics 2 books, ebooks like calculus. Here's my bodybuilding guide what I write. So it is the notes on operational amplifier what I learned from biomedical engineering at the year of 2007 before coming to Canada. My friends teach me this course on operational amplifier because it is so hard to learn and understand this electronic, and it is a physiology notes what what our doctor teach me on physiology. Then I pass this course physiology, otherwise I will get fail in medical courses. I almost get fail. So oh, so you can see here I put citizenship test notes I make to pass the citizenship of Canada. and it is my Lodi family background. Basically, I am from royal family, Lodi. Lodi are the family who rule over India, and they are royal. Like you can see the royal family in this world. They are royal family in Saudi Arab, royal family in British. Seems like we are the royal family, like who rule over India for 70 years, maybe. So I put the Lodi family history here. So same way. So let I show you some of the courses. Here I put all the courses in high school. Might be I studied in some courses in Canadian high school also. But here I only put only mathematics courses, what I study from Pakistan, integration, grade 12. But I also put some other courses of high school from what I study from Canada. Oh, so you can see this all courses. The structure of all the courses are same and teach everything in detail. I show you my exam paper what I gave in Sasha University. No, it is the GSP exam paper I found inside the book of whatever I buy of digital signal processing. Inside that book, the exam paper is given. So I put it here. Yeah. But uh, in my Google Drive, I put all the exam paper of what I study in Sasha University. Yeah. So I can show you as an example how I build nodes on C language. But here I do not complete C language completely. But in my Google Drive I put all the nodes of C language. I complete the full book. So in my Google Drive the whole notes are given. But since 2013 I stopped uploading my notes in this website because I get tired because it take too much time to upload all the notes. So I get tired, like it take half day to upload one notes only. So therefore I stop uploading my notes in this website, but I upload all the notes in my Google Drive. And from this I have the idea, like as people ask me in Canada, like if I put all the notes free of cost here, so then it is very bad, like I cannot make money, or might be uh, it is waste of time, waste of energy. So then I have the always ambition, like I can build some kind of a platform like a script.com, some kind of mobile app or some kind of website to put all my notes in my own channel, which do not take too much time to upload all the notes. Because here when I put uploading my notes in this website, it take half day to put only one notes, like only 100 MB file hardly uploaded in the channel. It take 1 hour. It take whole one day. So therefore, I stop uploading my notes in this website. Plus, I do not make any money m- after uploading my notes in this website. So it is waste of time and energy. And basically, everyone need to build some kind of business to make some money. Otherwise, if I do not complete this course and if I teach other people how to study in biomedical engineering, and they will complete a course and they will get a job, and I do not get a job, I just study free of cost, I just teach everyone free of cost. So then it is very hard. So then I will stay, then I will always keep poor, and other people make their life. So it is better not to teach everyone free of cost. So it is better to make a platform like which charge some money, no matter like a cup of tea people drink from Tim Horton. So why not they give some money to buy some courses from my website on my own platform, like if I build in future. So after looking at this script.com, I got the idea that first time in 2013 that why not I build my own platform to put all my notes in it. So since that time I start studying programming languages, and since that time I study first of all PHP programming language to build this platform easily, because PHP is easy. And otherwise if I study Java or any other languages, so that languages is very hard to build any complex application like script.com, like script. So I always try to build. So then since 2014 or 15, I had an idea that I can build a platform like script. So therefore I start learning programming languages to build some kind of business to make some money. So therefore I study PHP from 2017. 2017 I started learning PHP, and up till now I hardly complete PHP, and a framework of PHP is coordinator. So now I want to build some kind of platform like learning management system, where LMS, where I need to upload all my notes or video lecture to teach people about engineering courses like mathematics, biochemistry, or feedback control system, or robot. I do not study robotics because it is 8 semester course, and I hardly pass 4 semester. No, I hardly pass second semester, and I get failed in third and fourth. So biomedical is hard, but I just want to give education like teaching only to make some money. But I was good in programming. Oh, I just good in programming. So in C language I was good, and in PHP I'm okay. And because in programming it is easy, you can do practical work in front of you in a computer. But uh, in engineering courses you cannot do practical in your home. You have no labs, or you have no any faculty who teach you complex things, because engineering is so complex than programming. So therefore I left biomedical engineering at the year of 2017 or 2015 might be. Yeah, 17 15. So from 2017 I started learning PHP, and then I upload all the notes of PHP and its framework and JavaScript JS in my other area, like Google Drive or something, where I do not show my notes free of cost to anyone, because since 2013 I decided not to show my notes free of cost, because it is waste of time and money, and everyone get pass and I stay on without jobless. I stay jobless and everyone get job. So therefore I just think to start a business in which I will teach people about courses, or start a platform like script. Basically here I put my modeling something. Okay, so I have to start a platform like a script. So like right now, if you search on internet, there are so many platform like script, which is known as learning management system. Like some of the example, if I give you, like Coursera or some other platform which is same like a showing or giving instruction. So therefore I say I have to build this type of platform. Therefore I study PHP programming languages. So right now I'm just showing you some of courses what I built on topics like engineering mathematics. The structure of this notes are same, no matter if I build mathematics notes or no matter if I build uh, medical notes, or no matter if I build electronics notes, or no matter if I build programming notes, even PHP or its framework or JavaScript. So you can see the structure of the nodes how I built. So from 2008 I'm building the nodes, and it is so much good, and might be I sometimes give free of cost. Like you can see, you can download the nodes free of cost, without any giving any money. So from 2017 to from 2008 I am building these nodes. Like you can see, I built this Laplace transform nodes at the year of 2013. So here are the table of content. Here are the nodes starting 6.1 on Laplace transform. So I built this all nodes. I solved this all problems for my own, and then I put the solution. I do not explain everything from my English wording, but by highlight I explain everything, how I'm solving the things. And I and I if you know the basic, then you can understand what I'm doing here, because it's simple basic. Do not need to explain everything. Explanation are given, might be here at the top in English. Yeah, here are the explanation in English, or might be here. Yeah, here's the explanation of Laplace transform. So in this way, I just teach every single course, no matter if it is biology, it is medical courses, or if it is programming, or if it is mathematics, or if it is electronic. I explain everything in detail from top to bottom with uh, simple in simple way, and showing everything in a graphical or everything, all all forms. So here's my electronic courses or mathematic courses, and same type of courses I give in every single type. So whatever I hear is available, and same type of courses I give, and I give in other places like if you take my medical courses, same it is same biochemistry. It is a book. It is a book on biochemistry. But here is also a book. But I don't know where I put my notes. Here I put all the notes on physiology. Here I put all the notes on high school mathematics, high school courses. Yeah, high school mathematics integration. Here I put all the. I write a book on bodybuilding also, because I do a great bodybuilding. I put all the no. Then I build up books on bodybuilding. So here I teach how to build a body, and it is free of course. You can download it from here. I write this book on 2013. So bodybuilding guide, third edition by Muhammad Sakina Khan Lodi. It is my name. So you can see I write all the theory of bodybuilding, how to build a body, and here it is me in Karachi. In Karachi, I teach everyone how to build a body. Here I teach how to how to do bicep workout in the right way. Here I teach how to do hammer workout in the right way with heavy weight. I show here lightweight, but with heavy weight, if you do like that, you can easily lift heavy weight. Otherwise, if you stand without supporting yourself here, then it will make the jerk on your backbone and your backbone get injured. So it is good to hold your hand like that. So in this way I teach everything in bodybuilding. But at the end of this book, I teach first of all every single step how to do workout in a right way, and then at the end I show the detail how to build a body, how to build a body, how to build a body. I show all the theory how to build a body, how to calculate the protein, how much you have to eat a protein per day, and what you have to do to make your body good, and what you don't have to do, because sometimes we do mistakes and we have to take care about body mass index. If we do not care about it, so we got heart problems. So here everything I give